Hello everyone, welcome. If you're new here, my name is Dee from Patterns by Dee and also Dee's Designs, where I make custom PDF sewing digital patterns and also custom classy clutches. You can head over to my website and go take a look to see if you like anything. So let me talk about the two-piece, as you see here, from the Edgy Enisha jumpsuit that I created. And the Edgy Enisha jumpsuit is what I have on today.
Fabric by Terrence Williams Designs.
Very dramatic sleeve with pleats in the front and also darts in the back with two pockets on the butt. Now, and it also comes in a front zipper with a collar. I broke it down to a jacket, and the jacket is still has the pleats and still has the darts, but I did add a rib knit around the waist and also a zipper that stops at the waist. Now the sleeve is still a dramatic sleeve, as you see here, but I added some rib knit as a rib knit cuff around the wrist. What I like, and let me show you the lining. The lining is a fabric that I purchased from Minerva. I had this, I think, last year where I made a wrap dress from it, and I had some extra, so I just made it as the lining. It came out, it really matches well. I'm surprised. But what really is the catcher for this two-piece is the pants. Now, with this pattern here, I hacked up the original pants a little bit by the pocket is different. I added a waistband and also the pockets in the back. Now, they're not the regular box pocket. Now I added a pin tuck above the pocket and underneath the pocket of the welt pocket that I added in the back, as you see here. And let me bring it a little bit closer to you. Now the darts are still on the back of the jacket, but the welt, I thought this was such a clever look on the pants that I saw on Nike.com. It was some sweatsuit pants with a welt pocket. And I was like, oh, I can make those. That's pretty cute. And it had a pin tuck on the back as well. Now, it doesn't have a pin tuck on the front. It just has pleats on the front and a zipper, just like pants, you know, and I added a snap for the closure. Now, you can add any type of closure you would like, but I just added a snap to give it a little pop. Also added a side pocket, which on the Edgy Enisha, you do have a side pocket, but it's wider here. Now this is more narrow and has a smaller slant to the pocket, and it's also sewn differently. I did a lot of hacking to these pants that I will try to explain to you how I achieved this on the tutorial that I'm making for this two-piece. Now I'm more focused on the jacket, not the pants, because you can do whatever you like to the pants. But like I said, I was just mimicking the inspiration that I saw on Nike.com. So yeah, and this is also a sweatshirt fleece fabric. And I know we're falling into spring, but I just wanted to show you what you can accomplish with the Edgy Enisha jumpsuit. And it turned out so nice. I was just amazed how it turned out for this type of fabric. I'm going to describe a little bit how I achieved these pants, where on the original pattern, only thing you have to do for the pants is measure the circumference of the size that you cut out around the waist of the pants, and then add your waistband. You can add a rib knit waistband, but here I just added like a waistband that you would make some slacks out of, or some, you know, some trousers or something like that, and just added it to the front and the back of the pants. Now the welt pocket, I want to explain about the welt pocket from the original pattern piece, which is pattern piece number 7, the back pocket. As you see here, you see this slash right here. I got some tracing paper and traced the top piece and added a 1/4 inch seam allowance from that slash and those dots downwards. And that's the top of the welt pocket. And you would place it on the fold on this part of the fabric. the top piece on the fold. And then you would take this bottom piece, and from that slash down, you would add, from that slash up, you would add 1/4 of an inch seam allowance as well. And that will make your 2 pieces for the pocket. And this one piece is the back of the pocket. So as you see here, now I, took it from showing you on the wrong side. It's kind of upside down, but you get the logistics of it, where this is the back side of the pocket, which is closer to your skin. And this is the front of the pocket, which is hitting the front of the fabric, hitting the fabric. So this is the longer piece, which is this whole piece here. And this is short piece, which is only this piece here. So yeah, that's about it. Very, very easy to achieve the welt pocket. I made also the pants legs a little bit wider and added a rib knit cuff around the ankle of the pants to bring it in a little bit. But I hope you enjoyed this, and I will show you what the outfit looks like put on. So I hope you guys like looking at the 2-piece Edgy Enisha jumpsuit. Stay tuned for more patterns to come. Take care, guys. Bye.